Hello, buddy. We'll go back to Camp Crew Simulator. Later, we're just gonna work. So yeah, last time we did a flight to Seattle, and yeah, everything's going pretty well. Oh, now my next goal is to get another flight attendant, because I think it's happening. Right, Adrian, 70. Hold on. I think we're gonna try and see. Right, so. Well, if we head to International Airlines, and you can see that there's an A380, 737, 50, B737, 787. The next one, after the B737, it's the A320. So yeah, I'm gonna try and see if we can do this. Oh my god, so we're fine. Who are you? So my friend like that's fun. It's interesting to see. For sure. And by the way, you didn't know, you know. Since we were just a streak, hurry. Right, oh my god, hurry. Alright, gotta go now. It's timer. Oh yeah, we can do this. This Air J, Air C. Select, confirm. Yes, we're gonna select that group. Gate 2. Hey, go. Need to go. Go right now. I need to go. The door just opened. So yeah, we're just doing this flight to New York City. Go. Right, here's the plane. Right, come on, load on all the baggage. Alright, come on. We're starting economy boarding. Don't care if there's a vlogger, but it'll make us more money. Me? Come on. Buddy, come on. We need to get this done as fast as possible. Yeah, look, guys, already pushing back. Hey, come on. Guys, let's go. We gotta go. Come on. Everybody, come on. Yes, come on, board, please. We only have about 24 minutes to do
Hello,
this.
ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Stow your tray table. Buckle your seatbelt. Out.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Alright, we need to take off now. Right. Hey, come on. Right, that guy's just taxiing. Right, come on, take off. Get off here. Alright. Alright, let's go. Go. Alright. Gear up. Let's go. Alright. Alright, so we've leveled out. Great, come on. Right. I'm pressing the jump button. And right now. Right.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Coca-Cola. Sprite. Coca-Cola.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer from the flight deck. We've been told by air traffic control to expect some moderate turbulence up ahead. We'll try our best to give you a smooth ride, but expect some bumps over the next couple of minutes.
Alright, let's go. Right.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Right, so I'm just gonna collect all your trash here. Right.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Bring your seat upright. Buckle your seatbelt. Bring your seat upright, please. Bring your seat upright, please. Buckle your seatbelt. Stir tray table. Buckle your seatbelt. Let's land. And all right. Hey, let's go. Right. Hey, come on, let's go. Let's land. And all right, coming in for landing. Go faster. Go. Right. Now you to make Ryanair landings once again. Right, come on. Come to a stop. Come to a stop. Please come to a stop. Help. Alright. Right. And we have stopped. Alright. Right. And let's skip taxi. How long did that take? Hey, Corey, we did that in just under 5 minutes. We still have 19 minutes. So if it's in New York City, we have plenty of time. Right, come on. The gate, come here. Right. Let's go. Open the door. Oh, right. And of course, this one. 296 Skybucks. Folks, I know. Good. Don't really care right now. Right. Now, where could this guy's phone be? Yeah. Missing item. Alright, where could it be? Is it hidden in these bushes or leaves? Let's check the washroom. Let's check the washrooms. The washrooms have a reason. Then, alright. I can't go in near the stalls. Not there. There, or there. There. Alright, let's try the other bathroom. Room here. Let's try the other bathroom. Alright. Yeah, and these stalls don't have it either. Here. Alright, so let's see where else it could be. Alright. Is it like in one of the corners? Maybe this time it could be hidden in there. Alright, let's see here. Oh my god. Yeah, there's nothing here. Yeah, alright. Maybe we should try the other area here. We need to try the other area. Yeah, it's 3 a.m. Still plenty of time to search, I think. Yeah, we've only spent 3 minutes. A lot of places here. There isn't a bathroom in the airport? How? Alright. Is it adding somewhere here? Maybe near gate number 10? No? No, is it somewhere in the gate area? No. Shoot. Keep trying to look. Right. I don't want to buy a New York City airport card. Alright, come on. And let's go. Over here. Is it anywhere in the security area? No. Oh yeah, that's just the guy. Just the guy that we need to bring it to. Right. Yeah, I don't think it's in the baggage claim area. Anywhere? No? Where is this thing? I don't get it. I don't get it. And how much time to find it? Get 15 minutes. Okay, great. Hey, is it in Los Angeles? Because I don't think we can purchase that yet. Alright. Is it back here? Maybe it's in the hotel. Maybe it's in there. That's actually a really good idea. Yeah, let's check there. Right. Not a hotel. No. Hey. I would like, or just like a regular room. Right. 104, alright. Hey. Is it in a room? This is 106. 104. Let me use my room key. Is it perhaps in this room? Here? Is it in any of the other rooms? No? Let me use my room key here. Right, let's hit up here. Here, maybe it's in the hallway here? No, it isn't. Is it in your desk? Alright. Where is this thing? Hang on, I don't get it. Oh, it doesn't have my phone. I'm just gonna stop bugging. Alright. Yeah, nah, this is impossible. Oh, I don't like this switch. Oh my gosh. Oh, phew, stop. No, it's still playing in the background. Alright, let's just get on the... Yeah. How much is Los Angeles? Oh, yeah. Just gonna go to Seattle. I'm just gonna select our usual stuff. What happened? What's happening? Right, yeah. Just gonna select that. Starbucks and confirm. Done. Yeah, we can hire this guy. Ah, both of you. Oh, yeah. Yeah, one. And how are we gonna keep these prices low? Oh, gosh. Right. Here we go. Right here. No, right. Ah! Right. Wait, why is it still playing? I'm on the play now. Stop playing. No! Why did it keep playing?